The holiday season is almost in full swing, and today we've got some unique and unusual ways you could decorate your Christmas tree. Stay tuned for our Christmas ornament hacks. Merry Christmas, Mike. You too, girls. Except you guys don't look very merry.
Hey, Kelly. Our Christmas tree is not giving me any holiday vibes.
Looks like I'm gonna be the one to take charge here. Chelsea, you get the bathroom. Mike, you get the living room. Kelly, you get the hall. Let's scrounge up everything we can and give this tree the makeover it deserves. And I'll look in the kitchen. What's more classic than watching the Disney classics around the Christmas tree? You're gonna have to find a different snack though, Chels, because Mike's got other plans for those nuts. These twins and the rest of their family members are getting a makeover. A little winter frost to start us off, and some festive holiday ribbons. Wow, that was pretty crafty. They look just like the store-bought versions. It's like that tree and your nuts were made for each other. And you guys look pretty cute together too. Hey, did you get the tree?
Close your eyes for a surprise. A little ice cream and I'm good to go. On the other hand, do I really need to go anywhere?
Good thinking, Mike. Why not just make it yourself? That way, you'll avoid having to go out into the cold and maybe even get some brownie points from the girls. Let's see if your cutting chops are up to par. Careful. Try and make sure that spoon flies nowhere near your eye. Now, add some glue to the mix. And get ready to make some room for your new Christmas tree. Who cares if the tree isn't real, as long as it's festive and it brings holiday cheer.
Thanks for your patience, ladies.
Wow! Mike, that looks amazing!
Thanks, girls. And thanks for the ice cream. I'm gonna go get my jumbo-sized spoon. There is nothing better than spiced tea when it's freezing outside. Right, Chels? Want some cinnamon?
Yeah, but not for my tea. I know something else we could use it for.
On guard, Chels. This is what you meant, right?
No, Mike, not exactly. Cinnamon sticks make great Christmas decorations. They match pretty much anything, and they smell great too.
Chels, you're a cinna genius. But I've got something to add. That special Mikey touch.
Nice. Let's give it a little trim. Looks like our DIY Christmas ornaments are ready.
Shall we, Chels?
Yeah, but I want to be the one to hang them up.
Our house has never smelled this good. Or looked it.
Poor Jess has been slaving away at the stove all day.
Honey, I'm home.
Babe, can you do the tree, please? I don't think I'm gonna have time.
Sure, hon, but I'm gonna take a different approach than you normally do.
Grab a glue gun and some noodles, and you'll have new toys to hang up on your tree in no time. Don't worry, he's not done yet. Now that's more like it. Careful to let the glue set, and don't glue your fingertips together either. A decorative element and some spray paint to kick that festive atmosphere up a notch. And our new snowflake ornament is ready to go up. Great job channeling your inner Martha Stewart, Mike. Mike has been called out for a lot of things in his life, but having a lack of imagination has never been one of them. Just look at that effortless transformation from Raging Bull to Spider-Man. Hey, Mike, think you can use those ice cream cones to decorate the tree? Of course you can, as long as you've got your trusty sidekick, Mr. Glue Gun, by your side. Kit Kats. And now an ice cream cone. I think Mike might be trying to break the sweetest tree Guinness World Record. Another ice cream cone? Mike, I think we've cracked your record-breaking plans. Hey, where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Merry Christmas, you sweet-toothed record breaker. Tree's looking pretty full, Jess. How about you use this candy cane for a different but equally important cause? Sorry, Mr. Candy Cane, but you are no longer you. If Ben thinks there will be no pranks because everyone's mind's on presents, he's got another thing coming. Ben, I've had a horrible accident.
Jess, I don't feel so merry.
That's too bad, because my merry meter just went up a notch. Looks like Jess and Kelly have just come up with another Christmas hack. And why not? The more sweets, the merrier, right? These girls have got enough creativity to power an entire Imaginarium. Also, they can make their house look like a candy store. Let's see what they've got planned. Peppermint Kit Kats? Some ribbons and garlands to make things just a bit more festive. And our decorative sweets are ready to go up. Those treats are for the tree, but that doesn't mean there isn't something left for the girls in the kitchen. Decorating the Christmas tree is one of the most joyful and beloved holiday activities, just not this year. Jess, you smashed the rest of my new decorations. I'm sorry. Thanks for single-buttedly ruining Christmas. Wait, don't write me off. I've got an idea. You're paying for them. I already went broke buying gifts. Me too. That's not my idea. Let's use these balloons to make new decorations. See? They're round and shiny and just like actual Christmas ornaments. We'll just work some Christmas magic on them and you won't even miss those other ones. Thank God I didn't at least sit on the glitter. That would have been a nightmare to clean up. And that's the story of how Jess ruined Christmas, but then saved it. Why do you guys think Mike and Jess look so smug? And why is Mike painting Jess's hand? Is he planning on chopping it off and making another one of his DIY Christmas ornaments? If that was a fake hand, that would definitely be a possibility. Mike's a lot of things, but he's not a serial killer. Give up? Sometimes store-bought decorations are just dull and boring. And this is exactly what Mike is trying to fix with one of his token life hacks. A bit of Jess's special glitter touch, and Mike could open his own Christmas ornament boutique. Turned out pretty good, guys. Now, go wash your hands. I really hope that paint wasn't toxic. It's blooper time! Hit that subscribe button, share ideas for fun with your friends, And let us know down in the comments, when do you usually start decorating for Christmas?